Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Sorry I haven't posted a video in about 2 or 3 months or so. I've just been really busy. I had a lot of work going on, studying for my CFL exams as well, and yeah, just life kind of just got in the way, so I haven't been able to take the time to edit this video. But yeah, this one's been sitting in my computer for about 2-3 months now, and I've just only been able to get around to editing it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah. What's up guys, and welcome back. This is another 210 update video. As you can see, it's sitting behind me. At the moment it's pretty stripped out, so we're up to that stage where we're waiting for some NDTs to be done, so non-destructive testing, to inspect the main spar carry through for structural integrity and all that. At the moment I'm about to start paint stripping the plane even more. As you can see behind me, the tail section has already been started on, so we're starting to scrape off and get all whatever residual paint that's on there left, and we're going to slowly progressively move towards the front of the aircraft. As part of paint stripping, we're also looking for working rivets, so any rivets that are loose, we're going to drill them out, hammer in new ones so it's all nice and tight. Everything's pretty much scrubbed off. We had paint stripper on there. We've had 2 applications now, so some of these bits are a little bit stubborn to get off, but other than that, the metal underneath looks pretty good. So working rivets sort of look like this. So the rivets, they tend to vibrate and rub against the metal, and it tends to streak out the side, leaving black marks. Sometimes people use anti-corrosion inhibiting stuff, and that sort of makes the rivet slip and work. But you can sort of see one here, that rivet has popped off. Yeah, that's a result of a working rivet. In one of the last videos there was a stringer here. So the stringer in one of the videos I had earlier, we found a bit of corrosion over here, so I pretty much poked a screwdriver straight through, which wasn't pretty good. But yeah, that's been replaced with a new stringer, so that's all good. Alright guys, check this out. So I've just put some paint stripper on the engine cowls here, and everything's starting to peel off a bit, and you can sort of hear it fizzing away. That's pretty cool. Alrighty guys, so that's all the time I've got for today. So paint stripper's on the tail section and the whatever section that is there. So yeah, now we're just going to play the waiting game and wait for it to peel off. So everything's all wrinkly and starting to peel off, and we'll go up here and have a look. Look at the roof, everything's all coming off. And coming over here, we've got the engine cowls and the tail cone. The tail cone's coming off very nicely. engine cowls as well. Alright, let's get scraping. Alrighty guys, so that's it for today. I made some progress on scraping off the middle section of the plane where I had some paint stripper on, but it didn't really work out as good as I hoped it to be. There's still a bit more that needs to be either stripped off or scraped off or somehow, I don't know, but yeah, we'll get there. And before any of you guys panic, these windows here, they are not masked up because I'm getting them replaced. The paint stripper does eat into the plastic, but I couldn't really give a shit because they're all going to go anyway. So that's not a problem there. And coming around to this side, likewise, I don't know what's up with the paint, or the paint stripper is not strong enough, but a lot of it there and underneath as well is not coming off as good as I hoped it to be. But that's it guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you guys next time.
So